explain you what are objects. As you all know that objects are entity that contains data and behavior. Okay, data are the variables inside the object and behavior is the method inside the object. Try to understand this. Every object have two entities, data and behavior. Data is a kind of variable, you can say, and behavior is the method inside that variable. So you interact with the methods like main method. Okay, in your class you have been creating class, public class, suppose string manipulation, and public static void main. So what is void main? Main is the method. We interact with the objects through methods, and as you all know that class is the object factory, right? Class is the object factory. You can create multiple objects in the class. So constructing an object, how do we create an object? We write the name, the type of the object, what kind of object it is, the new keyword, and type parameter. Now calling an object method, how do we call the method object? We call the object by its name, object name, what we have defined over here, dot method name and parameters. Am I audible, Gaurav,
Yes, sir.
Shivangi?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what is string? String is an object storing a sequence of text characters. See, in layman language you can understand string क्या है. String एक sentence है, कोई एक word हो सकता है, कोई एक sentence हो सकता है. Okay, so word क्या है? Sequence of letters है. Sentence क्या है? Sequence of words है. So वो ऑब्जेक्ट जिसमें सीक्वेंस ऑफ टेक्स्ट कैरेक्टर्स हो उसको हम स्ट्रिंग बोल सकते हैं. Unlike most other objects, a string is not created with new. Remember, string is an object, but we don't create a string with new keyword. Okay, we don't use new keyword for defining a string object. How do we declare it? We write string, the variable data type name, string data type हो गया, name of the variable equals to, within double quotes we store the value in the string variable. Okay, within double quotes text. So what is the formula? Formula here is the string name, string is equals to name, string name is equals to expression. Expression will be written within double quotes. For example, string name is equals to Marla Singer. Marla Singer is a string, it's the name of a singer. Okay, like int x, int y, int x stores 3, y stores 5. Now string point is the variable, string variable, which is going to store, if you see the pattern, within double quotes it is written, within double quotes it is written, double quotes plus x plus double quotes comma double quotes plus y plus double quotes. So what will be the output? You will come to know later on. I will show you what will the output. So here integer values have been stored as a string. Integer values have been stored as a string in the string variable point. Okay, is the marker working? Marker stick is working or not? I don't know. Can you see the highlighter? No,
No, sir.
it's not working. Okay, no problem. Next, moving ahead, in string you must understand this, how a string is stored. Okay, how a word is stored. Like here, string name ultimate is a word. What Java does, the Java compiler gives a number to each letter of that string. Like ultimate, it is called index. The numbers which are assigned to each letter of your word or sentence or your paragraph are called index. So index of U is 0, index of L is 1. So the total number of indexes from 0 to 7. This ultimate word is of 8 character, but its index are from 0 to 7. So the first character index is 0 and the last character index is 1 less than the string length. Remember this, the last character index will be 1 less than the string length. Take another example. Suppose Ratan, Ratan. How many characters are there? Gaurav?
Five. Five.
5. So your index will start from 0 and the last character n will have the index 1 less than the string length. So what will be the index of last letter, Sivangi? Sivangi is there. Gaurav, what will be the index of the last letter n?
Four.
Great, great. So I think it is more clear to you now. The individual characters are the values of type char. Okay, char we will discuss later on. Now string methods. What are different string methods? These are few important string methods which I am going to highlight you. There are many string methods given to you, given in your textbook. Many character methods are given in your textbook. Some of the most important which we are going to use in our programs are index of, length, substring, two lowercase, two uppercase, and look at the way they are written. Index of O capital. Okay, two lowercase, two t small, L capital, C capital. So you must remember the syntax, how to write the methods properly. And what are all these methods do? Index of will index where the start of the given string appears in this string, and if it is not found it will return you -1. Remember, it will return you -1. Length, number of characters in this string. Substring, it is very important function. Suppose from RATA and Ratan you want to print only rat, or you want to just print TA and 10, or from Ratan Kumar Sharma you just want to print the middle name. So to do all these activities you are going to use substring. And how we will use, I will show you in the programs later on. The syntax is in index 1 comma index 2. What is this index 1 and index 2? See, the character in the string from index 1 will be inclusive. Suppose you want to print rat, so rat, rat. What is the index of r? 0, 1, 2. Okay, rat 0, 1, 2. So if you want to just print rat out of Ratan, so you have to write substring. Index 1 will be 0 and index 2 will be 3. Remember, index 2 will be 3, which is exclusive. So 3 is not included. So your output of substring 0 comma 3 will be 0, 1, 2. That is RAT. Okay, and if suppose you don't give the index 2, then it will print till the end of the string. If you just write substring Ratan, substring index 1, that is 0, so it will print from string Ratan, it will print from R to N. Okay, it will grab till the end of the string. Similarly to lowercase will convert all the strings into lowercase, and uppercase function to uppercase will convert all the string to uppercase letters. Okay, these are very important string functions. See, look at I've tried to explain you with an example also. String s1 Stuart Regis, string s2 Marty Step, system.out.println s1 dot length. So s1 dot length, s1 is the string having Stuart Regis. Index, you see I have written index at the top of the string 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then again 0 means it is 10, 11. Okay, so total length, it is indexing from 0 to 11, so total length is 12. Okay, so s1 dot length will return 12. See, I have shown the output here in the remark I have shown you the output. So s1 dot index of e, from s1 that is Stuart Regis, what is the index of letter e? So it will return the first index of letter e, which is 8. There is another e whose index is 10, but it will return the first encountered e. Okay, then s1 dot substring 7 comma 10. So substring 7, this is index 1, 7, it is inclusive, so it will start picking up character from 7 and it will go till 9, 7, 8, 9. So 7, 8, 9 will give us reg. Okay, so 10 is exclusive here. So I think it is more clear to you with an example. S2 dot substring 1 comma 7. So from S2 string from Marty Step, it will start from A, okay, and go till 6, till index 6. So output will be RTS, okay. So this is the way we use the various string functions. Modifying strings, how can we modify the strings? Now methods like substring and to lowercase build and return a new string, okay. You can extract a part of a string, you can convert all capital letter to small letters or small letters to uppercase letters using this function substring to lowercase, okay. So how to convert, like string s is epsilon, so s dot to uppercase will convert all the characters of epsilon to capital letter. Now to modify a string, modify a variable's value, you must reassign it. Like string s is epsilon, s is equals to s dot to uppercase. So the output of this will be s, all letters in capital. So this way you can modify a string. Now string as user input. How do we input from the user, from the keyboard, from the console? Using scanner's next method in utility class java dot we write na import java dot util dot asterisk. So util in the utility library class, util scanner is the part of util, and next is the method in scanner class. So using the next method we can take input, a string as an input. So scanner console, console is the object name and scanner is the class name. So console object is the object of scanner class, and it,
Spending class.
sorry.
कुछ
Okay, so console is the object of scanner class, and using new keyword, new keyword, new reserve word, we have created an object called console, okay. And what it is going to do, it is related with the input output functions. So it is scanner system dot in. This object is going to deal with input output operations, so we have defined it as system dot in, okay. So string name is equals to console dot next. Name, in name you have stored a name, suppose Ratan, equals to console dot next. It will ask the user to enter your name. What is your name? You will see the message since it is written within double quotes. What is your name? So it will show your name. It will ask you to enter your name through console, through your keyboard. So name equals to name dot to uppercase. So all the in whichever case you write uppercase or lowercase, after entering the name using to uppercase method, we have converted all the characters of your name to the uppercase. And when you system.out.println name has name dot length, means the total number of characters plus letters, and starts with name dot substring 0 comma 1. So what is your name? Ness. So Ness has 3 letters and starts with N, okay. And next line method takes a full line of input, next line. If you have multiple sentences to enter, we will use next line method of scanner class. So next and next line are two important methods of entering strings by the user, okay. Strings questions, okay. Write a program, write down a question, write down, note it down in your notebook. Write a program that reads two people's first name and suggest a name for their child. A very interactive program it is. What you have to do here is you have to enter the name of the father and the mother, and you are going to suggest a name of their child based on the name of the father and the mother, okay. Parent 1 first name Daniel, parent 2 first name, it's an example output John. So child's gender, what is the gender of the child, suppose male or female, suppose female. So you will suggest, you being a programmer, you will suggest the name Zodani, okay. So you have to create this user friendly program to name suggesting program, okay. So write down this question in your notebook. I want all of you to practice today using these string methods. Write a program that reads two people's first name and suggests the name for their child.